Good morning, student. Hope you understand the various skills that entrepreneur need. Now, what is the need of entrepreneur? You can say the importance of entrepreneur, or you can say the role of entrepreneur in this economic development. Basically, entrepreneur are considered as a change agent in the process of industrial economic development in the economy. Entrepreneur are the, you can say, spark plug who transform the economic scene in an economy. Like, if, for example, if we take Japan and US are developed because they are entrepreneur development. Bangladesh and Nepal are underdeveloped because of lack of the entrepreneur development. वहाँ entrepreneur development नहीं है. That's why they are underdeveloped. Within India itself, Gujarat, Punjab are developed because of their entrepreneurial development. Bihar, Orissa are backward, or you can say underdeveloped because of the lack of entrepreneur development skill. ओके तो इंटरप्रेन्योर एक चेंज एजेंट की तरह काम कर रहा है. ये है जो डेवलपमेंट लेके आ रहा है. ओके एंड इंटरप्रेन्योर प्रमोट कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन बाय मोबिलाइजिंग द आइडल सेविंग्स ऑफ द पीपल. जो आइडल सेविंग्स हैं उनको मोबिलाइज करके वो कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन में भी आपको हेल्प कर रहा है. देन इट हेल्प्स टू रिड्यूस अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. They reduce unemployment problem in the country. That is the root cause of our social economic problem. They also promote balanced regional development by establishing various small scale enterprises in rural, in remote, or you can say a less developed region. It also help to reduce concentration of economic power. एक ही जगह आपकी economic power concentrate नहीं हो पाएगी क्योंकि balance regional development में आपको help कर रहा है entrepreneur. Okay, it also promote equitable redistribution of wealth, income in the interest of your economy. Then it also help, or you can say it encourage effective resource mobilization of capital and skills. It also help in promoting export business of the country, which is very important ingredient you can say of economic development. So we need entrepreneur because of all these things, because he is a person who mobilize everything, who help in the development of the economy. Hope you understand the need of entrepreneur. Now the types of entrepreneur. Basically, entrepreneur are classified into different type based on their different classification. There is no fixed classification. Like based on the type of business, we have a trading entrepreneur. Trading entrepreneur means who undertake trading activity, procure finished products from the manufacturer and then sell these to the customer, or they serve as a middleman or as a wholesaler, dealer, retailer, etc. Then manufacturer entrepreneur are there. Manufacturing entrepreneur manufacture the products, identify the needs of customer, then explore the resources, technology used for manufacturing the product to satisfy the customer needs. Then we have a agriculture entrepreneur. They cover a wide spectrum of agriculture activity like cultivation, marketing of your agriculture product, your irrigation, mechanization or technology related to agriculture. Okay, then we have classification based on use of technology also. Under this, we have a technical entrepreneur. Technical entrepreneur are those who establish or run science and technology based industries. Are a techno entrepreneur. They use new innovative methods of production in their enterprise. Then we have a non technical entrepreneur. They are not based on science and technology. They concerned with using of alternatives methods of marketing, distribution strategies, etc. They cover under non technical part. Then we have based on ownership classification of entrepreneur, like private entrepreneur. Private entrepreneur are those who are the sole owner of the enterprise or bear the risk, entire risk of the of the business involved in it. Then state entrepreneur, when trading or you can say industrial ventures is undertaken by the state or the government, it is called a state entrepreneur. Then we have a joint entrepreneur. Joint entrepreneur means when the private and the government jointly run the business, then it is called a joint entrepreneur. Then we have a classification on the basis of gender, like men entrepreneur. Men entrepreneur when business enterprises are owned and managed or you can say controlled by the men. Then a woman entrepreneur. Entrepreneur basically are defined as the entrepreneur or you can say as an enterprise owned and controlled by the women, and women have a minimum financial interest of 51% of the capital and give at least 51% of the employment generated in enterprise to women. So agar 51% if they are contributing in the capital or they are generating employment for a woman, around 50% of the employment are given to women, then it is considered as a woman entrepreneur. Then based on the size of the enterprise, we have a small scale, medium and large scale, or there are certain micro, small or medium classification also there. In micro, if we say investment up to 1 crore comes under micro, and if it's small, more than 1 crore but it should be less than 10 crore, and medium more than 10 crore but less than 50 crore, and above 50 crore comes under the large scale entrepreneur. Then there is another classification by a Clarence Denoff in 1949 on the basis of his study in American agriculture, classified entrepreneur in the manner that at the initial stage of economic development, entrepreneur have a less initiative or you can say drive, or as the economic development proceed, they become more innovating, enthusiastic. So based on that, they classify the entrepreneur in a four type. One is your innovating entrepreneur. Innovating entrepreneur, excuse me, are one who introduce new goods, inaugurate a new methods of production, discover a new market, and recognize the enterprise. Such entrepreneur can work only when a certain level of development is already achieved, or people look forward to change and improvement. Then second is a imitative entrepreneur. Generally in India we find imitative entrepreneur more. They are a person who they adopt basically successful innovations inaugurated by innovating entrepreneur. जो innovating entrepreneur ने inaugurate करा है उसी को ही वो successful जो innovations होते हैं उन्हें adopt करते हैं. They do not innovate change things themselves. They only imitate the technology and techniques innovated by the others. Then a Fabian entrepreneur. Fabian entrepreneur, they are very cautious in experimenting any change in the enterprise. They imitate only when they think without this they suffer a big loss. तभी वो चेंज करेंगे, तभी वो उसे ट्राई करेंगे, अदरवाइज दे विल नॉट गो फॉर द changes. Then drone entrepreneur, they generally straightforward, they refuse to adopt any opportunities to make changes in production formula, or even they suffer a loss but they are not ready to make any changes, so they are a drone entrepreneur. So these are the classifications of various types of entrepreneur. One concept is their entrepreneur, ONTRA. Entrepreneur are generally called to those who are doing online on net entrepreneur. ऑनलाइन अगर आप एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं, इट मीन्स आपने जैसे याहू है, जेरी यांग ने लॉन्च किया, तो दे आर कॉल अ एंटरप्रेन्योर. ठीक है, दे आर अ ऑनलाइन और अ नेट एंटरप्रेन्योर. तो these are the various classifications of the entrepreneur. Hope you understand the various types of entrepreneur now. In next class, we will see the differences between entrepreneur, manager, entrepreneur, etc. Thank you for the day, students.